strongly believe that India is very suitably poised and possibly best placed in the world today to adapt and steer these transitions or the mega trends. I've been in the manufacturing business for more than 5 decades, with operations spread across Germany, Sweden, France, the United States, and of course India. Never in the past have I experienced the kind of confidence and positive impression that India as a country is casting at the world stage today. At approximately $4 trillion today, India is the 5th largest economy globally and is believed to accelerate to $30 trillion by 2047. That is the vision of our Honorable Prime Minister, which he calls as Viksit Bharat or Amrit Kal, and that is a vision that almost every Indian shares in his own heart and soul. This is an 8x jump over a quarter of a century. Over the next 7-8 years, India too is expected to drive almost 20% of global trade. And this is very important for everybody on this planet. Growth in this decade, that is 2023 to 2033, the per capita income levels would increase from about $2,200 to $5,200 by 2031. The developed world has seen such massive spurts of growth at different points in time of their country's history, which had instrumental role in charting or defining their respective economic growth trajectories, whether it's Germany after World War II, whether it is Japan after that, whether it was South Korea, and then of course China in the 80s, 70s, 80s, and the 90s. India today is at the cusp of a similar transformative economic phase. This massive transformation is throwing up several big opportunities. These are opportunities for the world, for Europe, for Germany, to collaborate and participate with a rising India, a resurgent India, for the benefit of world societies. Let me now set the context on the emerging manufacturing landscape in India. From the year 2000 to 2024, that's roughly about 24 years, India grew from $467 billion to about $3,900 billion, a little less than $4 trillion in GDP. That's about 8x growth in GDP in this 24-year period. Throughout this period, the manufacturing contribution to GDP has remained stagnant, unfortunately, at about 15% of our GDP. That's roughly about from $75 billion in year 2000 to about $650 billion in 2024, approximately 8x. It is therefore very imperative for us to accelerate manufacturing growth in India. If India is set to grow 8 times in the next 25 years, India's manufacturing needs to grow 12 to 15 times in the next 25 years, roughly almost 2 times, a little less than 2 times of the GDP growth. We understand that we cannot merely afford to be a factory of the world built to print. We also cannot merely afford to be the global capability centers, or GCCs as they are called, for world destinations merely as designed for others. Today, inspired by the Honorable Prime Minister, Sri Narendra Modi's call, we are in India rapidly moving in the direction of being an innovation-driven economy and a products nation. It is the first time in India that everybody is saying that we now need to become a products nation. We need to design and produce our own products. We are determined to make products designed in India, made in India, for India, and for the world.